Welcome to ANS Solver question 22. ABCD is the parallelogram. N is the point on BD such that BN and ND is equal to, or they have a ratio 4:1. So we can therefore say that BN would be 4 by 5 of the value of BD, and DN or ND would be 1 by 5. So let's move on to the first part of the question where we have to find the vector BD. So how we can do that is we can find the vector BA. Vector BA plus the vector AD. This way we can easily reach or find the vector BD. Now let's substitute the values. So AB is S and we are going the opposite direction, and since this is a direction vector we have to take the opposite, so the negative value, so that is negative S, plus AD, which would be they've given it to us as T. Therefore a final answer for part A would be T minus S. Now let's go to part B, the vector CN. So how we can do that is you can work your way from C, D, and then from your way from a D to N. So this is not the only way that you can go. You can work through different ways from C to B to N. As I said, what I'm doing is not the only way to solve this question. As long as you reach the same final answer, you will get the right answer. You will get your marks. So the value of CD, since this is a parallelogram, DC is also S. Therefore CD, which is in the opposite direction, would be negative S. And DN, again we'll be going in the opposite direction because we found the vector BD, and we are going from D to N, which is the negative or the opposite direction. So we would have to multiply the vector BD by negative 1/5, because Dn is in the ratio 1 by 5 is to 4 by 5. So 1 by 5 multiplied by T minus S. Now all we need to do is expand and simplify. So minus S, so minus 1 by 5 into minus S would be positive 1 by positive S by 5. Next minus 1 by 5 multiplied by T would give us negative T by 5. So you can go ahead and simplify further by taking the LCM of these two terms. So when we do that, we have to multiply the S by 5, both the numerator and denominator. So that would be minus 5 S divided by, or rather plus S divided by 5 minus T divided by 5. So we would get our final answer as 4S by 5, rather minus 4S by 5, my bad, because minus 5S plus S, so minus 5 plus 1 would give negative 4. So minus 4S by 5 minus T by 5. Therefore this is your final answer for question 22, part B.